Welcome back to Tech Pulse, your weekly dose of what's shaken up the world of technology and business. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, drop us a rating, and join the ride. Because today we've got a headline that feels straight out of a sci-fi playbook.
Oh, you're hyping this one already.
You bet I am. Here it is. Musk eyes Starlink as wireless carrier after $17 billion spectrum deal.
Wait, $17 billion? With a B?
With a big, fat B. SpaceX just grabbed a chunk of wireless spectrum from EchoStar, and Elon Musk is now openly talking about turning Starlink into a full-blown global telecom carrier. Think competing with AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon.
So basically, he doesn't just want to beam Netflix to your cabin in Montana, he wants your whole phone plan too.
Exactly. And to get everyone up to speed, let's unpack some terms.
Yeah, let's slow it down. What the heck is spectrum anyway? I hear that word thrown around, but I just picture rainbows.
Fair. So in telecom, spectrum is basically the invisible real estate of radio frequencies. Phones, satellites, Wi-Fi routers, they all live on these frequencies.
So it's like lanes on a highway.
Perfect analogy. And the lanes Musk just bought, 1.9 to 2.0 gigahertz midband, are the sweet spot for 5G. Not too slow, not too short range. Think Goldilocks spectrum.
And $17 billion just for the right to use those lanes?
Yep, and this isn't rental. SpaceX owns those lanes now. So here's Musk's pitch. You'd have a single Starlink account. At home, you'd use their dish for high-speed internet. On the go, your phone connects straight to Starlink satellites. No T-Mobile, no Verizon middleman.
Hold up. Don't they already have some kind of T-Mobile thing going on?
They do. That's the T-Satellite partnership. As of July 2025, you can send texts in areas with no cell coverage by bouncing off Starlink satellites. They even started expanding to data in October.
So this is like Musk saying, thanks T-Mobile, that was cute, but now I'm going to run the whole show myself.
Pretty much.
Okay, but if this is such a game changer, why aren't AT&T and Verizon sweating buckets?
They are sweating. Their stock dipped 4 to 5% the day the deal was announced. But, and here's the catch, Musk admitted current phones don't support those spectrum bands.
Ah, the classic 2-year wait.
Exactly. Chipset manufacturers will need to redesign hardware. That's a 2-year cycle at minimum. And SpaceX also needs to launch a new generation of bigger satellites. Think satellites that probably require the Starship Heavy rocket.
So new phones, new satellites, and a rocket the size of a skyscraper. No pressure.
No pressure at all. Now, Wall Street's reaction was fascinating. EchoStar shares jumped 20%. Meanwhile, AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon all took hits.
That's Wall Street for you. Bet on the new shiny thing, panic on the old guard.
Right. But then you've got John Stankey, AT&T CEO, basically saying, look, Starlink only got 40 megahertz. We have way more. Running a wireless network is more than just spectrum.
Translation: good luck, Elon. Call me when you've built 50,000 cell sites.
Exactly.
So do analysts think Starlink can really compete?
The consensus seems to be not as a straight-up Verizon replacement, but maybe as a hybrid, satellite plus partnerships, especially in rural and underserved areas where carriers don't bother building towers.
So best case, Starlink becomes your universal safety net. City or desert, you've got bars.
Exactly, and that's huge for global connectivity. Think remote workers, disaster zones, developing countries.
And worst case?
Worst case, it's an expensive science experiment that still relies on T-Mobile and friends.
Congrats, you invented a backup text service. You know what I keep thinking? At what point does Musk just say, hey, let's throw in Twitter Blue for free if you're on Starlink Mobile?
Don't give him ideas. But honestly, bundling is totally on the table. Imagine Netflix, X Premium, and your phone plan all in one Starlink package.
Yikes. Musk Mobile. With a Dogecoin discount.
Hey, don't laugh too hard. Stranger things have happened. So, to recap, SpaceX dropped $17 billion on spectrum. Musk wants Starlink to be your next wireless carrier. The timeline is 2+ years with major hurdles, and the telecom giants aren't rolling over just yet.
But if he pulls it off, it could redefine global telecom. Like, your phone just works everywhere. No roaming, no dead zones.
That's the vision.
Big if, but hey, it's Musk. Betting against him hasn't aged well for a lot of people.
True enough. And that's where we'll leave it. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Pulse. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe wherever you get your podcasts.
And hey, drop us a note. Would you ditch your carrier for Starlink Mobile? I kind of want to know.
Same here. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious.